Beware, insurance companies are secretly pocketing thousands when they total your car. They'll tell you they're giving fair market value, but what they don't tell you is that their comparable vehicles aren't actually available for purchase. When an adjuster declares your car a total loss, they run a valuation report showing similar vehicles in your area. Sounds fair, right? Wrong. These comparable vehicles often include cars from private sellers or vehicles with hidden damage history, cars you'd never actually buy. Meanwhile, when you go to a dealership to replace your totaled car with the exact same year, make, model, and mileage, you'll face a shocking reality. The actual replacement cost is thousands more than what insurance paid you. This isn't an accident. Insurance companies deliberately use valuation methods that favor them, not you. They know most people will accept the first offer without questioning it. What to do? First, request a full valuation report. Second, find actual replacement vehicles at reputable dealerships and document those prices. Third, formally dispute their valuation with this evidence. Many states have regulations requiring insurers to pay actual replacement cost, not some theoretical value. Know your rights. Remember, adjusters count on your ignorance. They handle thousands of claims while you might handle one in a decade. The system is designed for you to walk away with less than you deserve. Don't let them get away with it. Your financial recovery after an accident depends on getting truly fair compensation.